Yeah, we are now here at the just here at the car park of the shopping mall, and I'm not going anywhere. I am day off for 2 days, but I'm just going to stay here. Go out if I need to buy something or if I need to eat something. Yeah, but yeah, I will be just here and going to do some computer works. Oh, you may be wondering about this table. Yeah, I actually made it, and I think I lost the footages when I made it. So basically how it works is just like this. Let me show you. Yeah, so it has this leg that is easily removable, just like that. And this one is up. It has velcro in here. That also has a velcro in here. Yeah. And if I need to hide it somewhere, I just put it here this way. And it's becoming like a leg of this table. And that is how it is now. Yeah, because if I just rely on this table, it's a little bit far. And I need to move like this. And I can even adjust this table in the side. Let me show you again. Take it off, just like that. And yeah, it can be in here. Oh, other side. Yeah, it can be here. Yo, good evening everyone. Yeah, I'm actually back here at the shopping center. I actually just left from where I was this morning until afternoon. And yeah, because I received a message from Stanley asking me to go to his apartment, his house. Yeah, to give this noodles. Oops. This pancit. Yeah, this. Yeah, this pancit. If you remember, just last week they gave me lots of food. Yeah, the noodles, instant noodles, they are actually very spicy. And what else? And yeah, bitter gourd. Oh, I'm actually here in the return and earn because I have some bottles to put inside. Yeah, this one, I don't know how many is this. I need to scan the app and then just put it there like that. Why? Okay. Sometimes there is error. Some of them actually the bottle actually has still a little water. Oh, just those 60 cents transfer, and that will be transferred to my PayPal account. Sometimes this is not working out of service, and sometimes only the glass. And I am now going to the gym, which is just at the back of this building. And I'm going to eat these noodles later after the gym. Yo, good morning everyone. Yeah, we are back here at the shopping center where I stayed the whole day yesterday. Of course I did not sleep here. Actually, coming from where I slept last night, I already went to McDonald's and I already had this McCafe long black. It is already 10:56 and now I am going to have my lunch. I am feeling hungry. I actually parked in the same place like yesterday. Yeah, because that one has a tree. and it is covering the, the heat. Yeah, I don't need the sunlight because yeah, my battery is still not working. The solar panel is still not charging the battery. I actually went to the auto electrician, yeah, 2 days ago. Oh yeah, yesterday actually. I went to the auto electrician. Yeah, I thought he'll be able to fix it, a quick fix, but yeah, he said there's a lot of booking, and so he scheduled me next week. Yeah, so I still have 6 days to wait for my solar panel or for my battery system to work again. What I'm going to have is from Master Noodles. Fried rice or noodles? Everything is expensive now. Yeah, the Master Noodles, $17.90. Yeah, mostly over $16 already. Even the fried rice. This is what I got. Yeah, over $20. Yeah, because the noodles is 16 or $17.90 plus $6 for the rice. So this is where I park. Yeah, because this is under the tree, so inside the barn is still cool. For sure, those cars under the sun, it's already hot inside. Oh, let me show you the one that they gave me yesterday. Yeah, this. Lots of this. Actually, six cans of what's this? Tuna. Yeah, different flavor. Yeah, and this is what I'm going to eat. A lots of noodles. Wow, it's actually a lot. And rice. Oh, this rice is $6. Actually, I'm going to eat it in plate. Yeah, because this is a lot, and I believe I'm not going to finish it all in one go. Yo, good day everyone. Yeah, the weather is nice. Lots of people outside. The temperature is nice, cooler. And oh, this is a tip. Yeah, Chef Jake gave this to me a few days ago, and it's $50 and some coins. $2, another two. Yeah, this still exists, this money. Yeah, this coin, the octagon one. Another coins, other coins. It's actually $54.80. I actually don't use cash anymore. I always use my credit card to buy things, to eat somewhere. Yeah, so yeah, I have a lot of this money. These are all tips. Yeah, from basically I accumulated. Previously I spent $100 to pay for something. I don't remember. So I still have $100, $20. Oh, let me show you how, because $100 is it's not very common. Yeah, the common one is $50. This is how it is. The other side. Yeah, there's a woman and there's a man. Yeah. And then this is $20. There's a man again. And another one on the side. 20. Oh, this is another $20, but yeah, different or maybe just different photo, but the same person. Yeah, that's yeah, $20. And this is $10. This is $5. And there is this queen in the photo. Another $10. Yeah, and this is plastic, as you can see. All of them, all the money here in Australia, they are all plastic. So it's waterproof. I know in the Philippines, yeah, the money is also like this, waterproof. I can put this in the bank by visiting the bank or through the post office. Yeah, post office here in Australia, they accept cash to be deposit to them, and then they will transfer it to the bank. Yeah. Also, you can receive money through post office. Yeah, post office here in Australia, they do a lot of things.